If I told you that the future of construction in Africa will be built not on cement, not with steel, not with concrete blocks, but with digital value, would you believe me? This is not hype. This is the convergence no one is talking about. Now let's start from the truth we all know. Inflation is eating rental yields. Material costs double before projects finishes. The government owe contractors for years without paying. What about the banks? They don't trust young developers. Funding dries up mid-construction. Now the African construction industry loses an estimated $30 billion yearly to funding delays, cost instability, and currency collapse. Now imagine if that problem disappears. Cryptocurrency is not just digital money. It's the first financial system built without permission, without borders, without waiting for anybody. In Nigeria today, more people use stablecoin than savings accounts. Why is that? Because crypto is doing something that the naira hasn't done in 20 years. It holds value. Now, guys, let's talk about where the two worlds collide. We know that crypto fixes payment delays. Yes, developers can receive project funds instantly in stable value, no FX wahala, no bank bottlenecks, no government excuses. Crypto also enables fractional investment. Instead of needing 50 million naira to join a project, someone can start with 10,000 naira. A mechanic, teacher, youth copper, all building Africa together. Crypto also protects contractors from inflation. Like when cement moves from 9,000 to 10,000 in 1 year, stable coins become the new protective helmet. Also, crypto unlocks the borderless capital. Africans abroad can invest in real estate projects back home here in Nigeria. No banks, no middlemen, no 8-week international transfers. For the first time in history, a contractor in Kaduna State, Nigeria, a developer in Accra, a civil engineer in Nairobi, and a nurse in London can financially collaborate on the same building project with a currency that obeys no politician and no borders. That is revolutionary. So, what does the future holds for Africa? What does the future of Africa look like? What can you see? We can see that projects will be funded on blockchain. Investors see real-time updates, no corruption, no ghost projects, no inflated BOQs. Cryptocurrency-based construction companies, that is what we are going to see in the future. Crypto-based construction companies that operate globally, hire locally, pay instantly, and they scale rapidly. What about tokenized rental income for ordinary people? The ordinary Nigerians, the ordinary Africans. A landlord in Surulere is no longer one rich man. It's 5,000 Africans, all earning passive income from small tokens. Can you imagine that? And then we can see AI plus blockchain monitoring construction in real time. Zero fraud, zero waste, zero inflated valuations. Accountability becomes automatic. Come on. QS professionals analyzing tokenized assets. Engineers using blockchain for structural tracking. While project managers can use crypto for milestone payments. It's beautiful. But listen carefully. Crypto is very powerful, but it is also dangerous in the wrong hands. For you to say, oh no, crypto is not all good, there are disadvantages to it. Yes, it is dangerous when it is in the wrong hands. Scammers, the fake platforms, Ponzi construction coins, unregulated promises. This is why construction professionals must lead the conversation, not the influencers, not hype men, not crypto boys with ring lights. The future of construction will be built with concrete and code. That's the future. The people who will dominate the next decade are not just builders. No, they are builders who understand digital value. Crypto is not replacing construction. Crypto is funding it. Africa is entering the era of digital infrastructure. So you as a construction professional, you must be early. You must be prepared, be educated, and be part of the rise.